Hey, good morning, lawyers. This is Sid Pedente, and today we're going to talk about what you need to do in order to survive in today's digital era as a lawyer or a law firm owner. Well, for starters, the world has changed. People have access to information thanks to Google and other search engines and Facebook and social media. But what does that mean in your practice, and how does this relate to you? Well, that's the key question. The days, for example, back in the day when a consumer had a question about a legal issue, they used to go and type up something very specific, something like, let's say, business lawyer, okay, around me. And people used to call them up and find out who is it that's coming up next to them, and you go ahead and call them. But the world has changed. People have access to information readily available. Okay? So what the consumer is doing, and think about your own behavior. What are you doing when you have a question about something? You go and you try to research it, you try to get information, you try to get education, you educate yourself. So for example, somebody has a question about a trademark. So they would go up and say how to register a trademark. Now, this doesn't mean that they're the ones who might register it, but people are looking for this information. They're looking for, the trademark basics. And as you can see here, the first few links that pop up are from the USPTO, who themselves are educating the public. Okay, you can see the search traffic, 86,000 people, 5,000 people a month. This means that people are trying to educate themselves even before they look for a solution. And there are a lot of tools available right now and step-by-step guide. Here's registering a trademark and a brand name. So in other words, people are looking for information even before they reach out to a prospective lawyer. So let's say you are a trademark lawyer operating in today's world and you're looking for a way to find your ideal customers. Well, is your prospective client going to directly call you and just try to go and find you? Or are they going to look for information? Chances are they're going to look for videos. They're going to look for courses. They're going to look for blogs, infographics, the step-by-step processes before they can even call a lawyer, because today's consumer, thanks to the internet, is much more savvy. Okay? They are looking to educate themselves, and when they call you, and you may already have noticed this in your own law firm, they are actually informed. Gone are the days where you called somebody and you're taken for, quote unquote, whatever they tell you, a ride, as they say, right? Not to say that you're misleading them in the wrong way, or you're pointing them to the right direction or wrong direction. Is to say that people are looking to educate themselves. They're looking for knowledge. They're looking to get the information ahead of time. So you, as a lawyer or a law firm owner in today's market, you have to think about the ways in which you can attract your consumer and educate them even before that transaction. So for example, look at my previous searches. These are things that tech related or whatever that I needed. I go and I look for how to do something even before I end up calling an expert in whatever field it is. It might be for legal, it might be for business, it might be for marketing or a doctor, because information is readily available. So what does that mean for you? You have to think about ways in which you can publicize your expertise. You can educate the public. You can take and digitize your knowledge, publish it online in the form of these educational, informational products, or courses, or services, or blogs, or videos that you can use. And that is critical to surviving in today's world, in today's digital era, where information is king. The more content you publish, the better. You look at here. Do I need a trademark for my business name? The more information you have and you can publish, to your prospective market, the chances of you reaching your ideal consumer is drastically increased by that. Okay, so I want you to think about that. Look at these: a business name versus a trademark. Should I trademark my business? How do you register a trademark for a company name? Look at the type of content that pops up in today's world. It's educational. So the first step is to educate the public. Okay? That is the first thing you want to do. Digitize the knowledge and expertise that you already possess so that you pop up when consumers are going online looking for information. So that's the first step. And in this video, that's all I wanted to cover. That's all I wanted to share with you, that a lot of lawyers that we speak with are wondering about how do you set up a virtual law firm and thrive in today's market. It's by educating the public. It's by informing them the choices that they have. And then you can think about attracting them into your funnel, into your website, and then educating them and then convincing them you're the attorney. You build authority by doing this. By sharing your knowledge, you're setting yourself up in your market as someone who has the information that can lead them the right direction. So think about those things if you're thinking about, how do I make more money? How do I get more clients? How do I get more cases? Think about the trademark application process, or whatever field you're operating. Let's say you're a lemon lawyer and your prospective clients. So think about your prospective clients. They're going on Google and typing up, what can I do if my new car is defective? Okay? Faulty, let's say. And Google suggests these answers. Your rights if something is wrong with your car. Know your rights. Solving issues with the car dealer. Your legal rights if something goes wrong. Lemon lawyers. Okay? What do I have to do when my car becomes a lemon? Think about how you can grab your customer ahead of time, become the authority, and then try to sell them something. Because people are just shopping around. If you're looking to go and publicize your ads and all you're looking to do is publish a law firm's name, chances of you competing with people who are educating out there and grabbing clients and getting the SEO and getting the advertising for your on Google or other places is going to be a very expensive endeavor for you. So that's all I wanted to share. Think about how you can inform people, educate them, and then build your authority, and then comes the selling portion of it, okay? I hope this helps. I'd love to know who your prospective client is. Maybe we can help you craft this message. Maybe we can help you put together a guide or something else that you can publish in the marketplace and get those consumers ahead of time before it's just a bidding game. The last thing you want is a consumer just going online and typing up, trademark lawyer, and then just calling every single attorney that they come across. Because at that point, it's just a bidding game. And I don't think you want to go into a bidding game to find your ideal prospects.